Hello and welcome to GCOS's Piano. This is a lesson on intervals. Okay, what is an interval? An interval is the distance between two notes, and I'll show you what that looks like on the staff and on the piano. First, let's draw the staff. Close it up with some bar lines. Okay, so there's two kinds of intervals. Melodic intervals with single notes, one after another, making a melody, or harmonic intervals with two or more notes stacked on top of each other, making one sound. So first I'll show you some melodic intervals. Now remember that each line and each space equals a white key on the piano. Okay, not talking about black keys. So if, let's say for example, we have a line note right here. So this is a white key on the piano. We count the white key as 1, or the line as 1. Always count the line or space you start on as 1. So there's 1, and then the space above it is 2. On the piano, you're just counting the white keys, 1, 2. On the staff, it's line is 1, space is 2. Now, if there's ever an even number interval, a second, a fourth, a sixth, an octave, it's always gonna look like line to space or space to line on the staff. Always, that's the rule. And then if you ever see an odd number interval, like a third, fifth, seventh, ninth, it's always gonna look like line to line or space to space on a staff, and I'll show you. Let's just say we have this space note now. Space is 1, line is 2, space is 3. We just went up a third on the piano. 1, 2, 3, up a third, okay? And that's your space to space, so it's an odd number. Let's go for another odd number. Let's take this and go up to here. Space to space will be odd again. So space is 1, line is 2, space is 3, line is 4, and space is 5. That's a fifth right there, melodic fifth. Now let's do some harmonic intervals. Do another staff. Close it up. Let's say we have this space note. Space is 1, line is 2, space is 3, line is 4, space is 5. Here's a harmonic fifth. The notes are directly above each other. Okay, there's a fifth right there. Let's go over here. Here's a line note. Let's go up a 6 now. So it'll be line to space, since it's an even number interval, a 6. Line is 1, space is 2, line is 3, space is 4, line is 5, space is 6. And there's a harmonic 6. Notes are directly above each other, stacked on top of each other. Now melodic seconds could look like this, since they're single notes one after another, but how do we do harmonic seconds? Let's say we have one here, here's a space note. If we want to go up a second and make it a harmonic second, if we did it like this and did it here, that's not going to work because they're overlapping. So what we have to do is just make them touch, but have them offset like that. Space to line, now that's a harmonic second. They're touching in the middle right there, okay? See if we can do an 11th. We'll start from here and make it melodic 11th. Line is 1, space is 2, line is 3, space is 4, line is 5, space is 6, line is 7, space is 8, line is 9, space is 10. So we'd have to do a ledger line. This is called a ledger line. And then here is our 11th right there. That's a huge interval. All right, so this is how intervals look on the staff and on the piano. Okay, thank you for joining us. Please study this video and we'll see you next time.